Hi, Futureforce.
Hi, Futureforce.
What's up, Futureforce?
Hey, Futureforce.
Hi, Futureforce.
Hey, we are pumped that you are going to be joining us, and day one is so close.
I hope you're excited for day one. I know we're all really excited for you to get here.
I wanted to provide some advice for anybody who is just starting out in their careers and about to start out on this really exciting journey, and that is to fail fast and fail hard. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, be proactive, be resourceful, and really take advantage of the role that you're about to jump into.
For anyone that you are meeting at Salesforce, feel free to take a look at their V2 Mom and their Salesforce journey, so that way you come prepared with more personable questions as you continue to network. And just know that the leadership team is always open to meeting newer folks at Salesforce as you continue your journey.
Don't be afraid to take the initiative. Don't be afraid to start a new conversation. Don't be afraid to take on an extra project. Just learn as much as you can. These are going to be some of the best years at Salesforce.
Every single week, I would update a quick document with project progress, intern events that I attended, VTO experiences that I had, really just anything that had an impact on my team, on Salesforce, the community, even myself. I shared it with my manager, and if you do that, that's really going to help your manager see what you do both inside and outside of your role.
Stay curious and be open to unlearn, learn and relearn lots of new stuffs. And don't forget to communicate with your work friends and bond over coffee and cookies.
Get involved in all the activities we got planned with the rest of your Futureforce colleagues, but also make sure you get to know your team and spend some time with them to unlock all the great things we have here at Salesforce.
My advice on how to thrive at Salesforce would be just meet as many people as you can, even if only virtually. You'll learn so much through that.
Do not wait for the boat to come to you, swim to the boat. 2, be curious. There are no stupid questions. 3, be amazing, be excellent on and off the dash at all times. Be professional, be efficient. And last but not least, be humble, accept feedback.
You are chosen for a reason. You have unique qualities and skills to bring to the table, and that is exactly what they want to see at Salesforce.
Good luck this summer. You're going to kill it.
Good luck. We can't wait to have you.
Good luck.
Good luck with the new role.
Good luck.
Cheers from Brazil. Bye.